Welcome back to another home inspection encounters. Got ourselves another one here. This is just a routine maintenance check, but let's see what we get ourselves into on this one. All right, well, this one is a routine checkup. Apparently this was a referral. This is an elderly lady. She's super sweetheart. She says nobody's been in her crawl space for a long time. So let's just check it out and see what we find. Now all these houses, I mean, you can see there's a lake back there behind that house. These houses that are basically near the water are the ones we're going to find most rodent activity, snake activity. And here they have the HVAC system on the outside here. So there is a ton of gaps, holes getting in for critters to find their way in and make a mess. But we're checking for everything today. Checking moisture, checking termites, plumbing leaks. So this is an old vapor barrier. This is the original vapor barrier from when they built the house. Not a very old house, probably 25 years. Excuse me with the runny nose. I just had I inspected a house. Very dusty house, goodness. Alright, so check this out. I've been seeing this a lot because this is the time of the year. But that right there, that is condensation. That's water dripping from these from the air conditioning duct lines that are going up into her floor. That is condensating really heavy. That's all gonna rot. Every year it probably does the same old. It even came out to this side. That wood is really wet. In this case, when you have situations like this, that means those vents in there, you're not getting the proper airflow in here to kind of combat this humidity. It is just way too high. It's hot outside. You're running cold air through these duct lines. So they start to sweat. Then you start to have a lot of problems with mildew, fungus, just condensation in general. Yeah, there's a nice little snake skin. I haven't seen too many snakes this year. You're probably thinking, well, you shouldn't have said that. Depending on what kind of snake, I'm cool with it. You can see water comes in right to that foundation. Yeah, sometimes, elderly folks, they're alone. They're sure not going to get down here, I can tell you that. And I can't blame them. There'll come a time where I'm not going to be able to get down here and crawl around. Wow, I got to show you guys something real quick. Spider webs. Alright. So this is, let me get on the other side of this guy right here. So you got your two trunk lines coming in. Look at this. These guys are just dripping so much water. Look at all that water. These guys are just stripping a lot of moisture. Look at all that. That's terrible. Creating a lot of humidity in this crawl space. A lot of people think it's a air conditioning problem, and it's not. It's this humidity just pounding these crawl spaces. That's why the only really thing you can do if you want that to stop is add a dehumidifier down here. Seal it all up. Kind of create your own environment. I mean, that's really all you can do. I've seen people put fans, but when you are talking 90 some degrees outside, and then it's just been constant 90s. Not like in the beginning of the summer where you have a couple of 90s. It's been in the 90s for a long time already. Let me get the spiderweb out of here. See, we already got a bunch of mildew growing. So this, if you were selling this house, I'm gonna have to say that this condensation is a problem. It's going to cause a lot of fungus, a lot of mold. See, here we have these black snakes. And these suckers grow really big. You guys down here in the Carolinas or nearby know about these black snakes we have here. But every time I see these straps, the straps they use to hang up these air conditioning, when you see one like laying down over there, you can't help but think it's a pretty big black snake. Now they're harmless. Unless of course you get too close to them and they don't want to be bothered. They're great hunters. Got a nice amount of fungal growth. A spiderweb, goodness. Got some fungus growing on the wood beams, so you know, my recommendation for this house obviously is going to be get yourself a dehumidification system down here, because this doesn't go away. This doesn't go away at all. When you start seeing insulation falling down like that, you can't help to think that there's a snake putting his weight down. Definitely some mice activity. Yeah, you get the mice, you get the snakes. Here's another little puddle of water. That's sad, because you know what? These people have no idea this is happening. I'm going to show you, I'm going to take down this piece of insulation so I can show you what it's doing to the actual subfloor itself. Because it's exactly what the inspectors are going to do. they're gonna do that. That's what's going into your floor upstairs, where you have the vents showing on the flooring upstairs, and then this right here is your subfloor starting to rot away. You can see the insulation is real wet, so now you've got a sponge leaning on it, constantly getting that moisture every summer. So checking those vents everywhere you go. If you're inspecting your own house, move the insulation out of the way. Look at the sweat on this. Wow. I mean, it is so humid. That's a lot. That's a lot. Like I said, this is a very young house. And this is going to get worse. Every year, it's going to lead to bigger problems. I'm going to get up over this guy right here. Oh my. That's a tough gig right there. I got the camera in one hand, flashlight in the other. Whew. Man, I can barely breathe. It's like a cave. More insulation falling. Usual suspects. See a little burrowing hole right there from the mouse. If you have insulation in your crawl space and you don't want to get rid of it, invest in more of those hangers, insulation hangers for your crawl space. Make sure you get the right ones. They come in 16 and 24 inches on center. Look at this. Look at that water. Whew. Man. And put a bunch of hangers up, extra hangers. This way, the mice, the chipmunks, the snakes, you're not going to keep them guys from coming in 100%. See, if that would have had an extra hanger right there, that wouldn't have fallen down. Those like seeds. Definitely mice. When I crawl underneath these duck lines, my entire back is soaked. So check this out, man. This is cool. Look at the insulation. You see that? There's water droplets on the insulation itself from the humidity down here. Just puddles of water everywhere. Let me clean the screen a little bit. A lot of humidity. Goodness gracious. Every one of these duct lines are just dripping water. Now that, my friend, looks like snake poop. Old snake poop. Oh, they're in here somewhere. I can guarantee you that. But they're slick. They feel your presence, and then they just kind of back up into the insulation. Unless every once in a while you get one that can care less if you're there. But so far, no videos this year of snakes. just had a conversation with the homeowner today about where are all the bees. Haven't seen a lot of honeybees this year. This year I also didn't see a large amount of carpenter bees in the spring. What's going on with our bees? You know, we do take classes and we do have to study up on a lot of this, but people are saying, oh, the treatments are doing for the mosquitoes, the fogging machines and the misting machines and all that. They're killing off all the bees. You know, they're scaring everybody with the mosquitoes. Every time you turn on the news, you hear them talking about mosquitoes and diseases, and you know what? It's true. Now, you guys can fact check me on this one. I'm going to take a stab at this. You guys can beat me up on the comments if you want. I think mosquito is the animal that kills the most humans on the planet every year. Oof, that's a tough one. But I'm going to go with that. Only because I read magazines and I'm watching all these kind of things. The pest management magazines. You know, because that's where inspectors, they have a lot of information on inspecting homes and all that and what to look out for. Alright, so one of the biggest things here is condensation. Wow. That's a big one. The floor's getting wet. I don't see any plumbing leaks. All I see are a lot of mice, activity, possible snake activity. Look at all that water right there. A dehumidifier, 100%. 100%. Hit that like and subscribe, guys. I appreciate you all very much. Keep an eye on your house, inspect it, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.